यूएमटी में 19वां सालाना कॉन्वोकेशन जारी। गवर्नर पंजाब चौधरी मोहम्मद सरवर की बतौर मेहमान खुसूसी शिरकत। कॉन्वोकेशन में 2337 तलबा तालिबात में डिग्रीज और मेडल्स तकसीम किए जाएंगे।
Man-made that are generating unforeseen challenges. That is where your knowledge and character are tested. That is where your leadership and your decision-making capacities receive a pounding. That is where you rely upon the knowledge reservoir and value framework that UMT has bestowed upon you. As you embark upon your career, you will encounter a growing knowledge economy in a milieu of both disruptive and enabling technologies. There will be new normals, big and small, all defined by the advancing knowledge and march of technology. I recall that the father of future studies, Alvin Toffler, once said, "The future belongs to those who are ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn." So get ready to adopt the trilogy of awareness, change, and adaptation. My dear young graduates, you are our most precious asset. You are infused with the vibrancy of volunteerism. That is how we live, not for ourselves, but for others. The role young people like you played during this pandemic is a splendid example of the capability of our youth. I want all of you to give a round of applause for yourselves. I exhort you to extend this volunteerism to the domain of knowledge. Out there, there is a pandemic. There is another pandemic which is bigger than the coronavirus, and that is the pandemic of illiteracy. Pakistan has one of the highest number of out-of-school children. We need to fight this menace tooth and nail. You are blessed to have found opportunities to the vistas of knowledge. UMT inculcated in you a quest for inquiry. Now is the time to pay your debt to the society by volunteering the less fortunate. I ask you to emulate UMT and its founder, Dr. Murad, in fulfilling your lifelong societal responsibility. Dear graduates, the time of your life spent at UMT was just a seed for your future growth. What UMT has implanted in you is a quest for growth. I leave you with the words of Khurram Murad, one of the great Muslim minds whose exemplary life caused a transformation and continues to inspire many for a better future. He said, "A relentless quest for the future has been bestowed upon all that inspires and motivates us to leave a mark in this world, to carve a new path, to determine a new destination, and that truly is the essence of life. When you become oblivious of the future and are subsumed by the present, stuck in this world, you also lose the world hereafter. Therefore, when individuals or movements become content with their existence, then their future is destroyed. So rise up and free yourselves from the shackles of the present, from the bounds of status quo. March ahead for a change and a dynamic future. May Allah be with you always. Pakistan Zindabad."
यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का सालाना 19वां कॉन्वोकेशन जारी है।